We was just doing lawn mowing here. Yeah, there's little turf maintenance, and we was cleaning up his mulch beds. He already had established mulch beds there. This job, we ordered about 10 yards of mulch, 10 yards. Like I said, he had about 1,000 square feet. With this mulch, the mulch is kind of like measuring garden beds. Like you take the same approach like how when you measuring for like little rock. That's another thing. Wooden wheelbarrows with wooden handles, they suck. They suck. Like they don't give you really no support. You put too much weight on it, it start wobbling. The best wheelbarrows to use is the ones with the steel frame and the steel arms on it. It holds very sturdy. Cause when you doing mulch jobs and you taking out mulch from old mulch and covering up, you want to pack it on there too. You want to pack it on the area you doing it at, so it creates a bigger barrier for them weeds that could potentially come out, you know? Weed whackers we use all steel equipment. I'm very big on steel. That's my favorite brand. The steel blowers too. We got all steel blowers, all steel weed whackers. We got steel hedge trimmers. We got steel pole saws. We got steel chainsaws. We got the John Deere mower, the S240. Yeah, so yeah, moving the mulch too. So you're gonna need your wheelbarrows, like pointy shovels, and metal shovels too. Don't use plastic. Plastic, it's hard to like cut through the piles of mulch. The plastic don't really like penetrate through it. The metal, that just slice right through the mulch and you picking up. So you want to use like a metal, like it's like a fork looking rake. You want to use that. It picks up a lot of mulch at one time. You're going to use that, your wheelbarrows. Obviously, you see we got the tarp up under the mulch. We put the tarp there before the truck even got there. That's something you want to do. You want to put your tarp down wherever the mulch is going to go, because this tarp right here, I think this is a 20 by 60 tarp. We got this from Home Depot. It was like $80. But yeah, thanks for checking out the video. You know, I hope we was able to give you some informative direction on your landscaping journey. I would love to hear what y'all got to say about this. Maybe you got a different technique and maybe I can learn something from y'all. Hopefully I was able to learn something from this video. Again, thank y'all for coming and tuning in with us. And we'll see y'all on the next banger. We out.